Let's continue the heart of the flower. Use a yellow yarn. Wind the yarn around the little finger. Wind the yarn around the little finger. Bring to the index finger and pinch. Start to crochet 5 chain stitches. Start the right side of the yarn. Wind counterclockwise. Then pinch, wind and yarn over. This is a slip knot. Adjust the loop. Crochet 5 chain stitches. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over. The 4th, the 5th, 5 chain stitches are done. This V-shaped is a stitch. 5 chain stitches and find out the penultimate stitch. This is countdown to the first stitch. This is the penultimate stitch. Crochet a half double crochet in this stitch. When pass through this stitch. Wind and yarn over. There are 3 loops on the crochet. Wind and yarn over the 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. Crochet a single crochet in the next stitch. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over. Crochet a slip stitch in next stitch. Wind and yarn over the loop. Continue a slip stitch in the first stitch. Pass through. Wind and yarn over the loop. Go on to crochet 4 chain stitches. Crochet a half double crochet in the penultimate stitch. Wind and pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over the 3 loops. Crochet a single crochet in next stitch. Wind and yarn over. Crochet a slip stitch in next stitch. Pass through. Wind and yarn over the loop. Crochet slip stitch in the first stitch. Pass through the first stitch. Wind and yarn over the loop. Crochet a slip stitch. Continue 4 chain stitches. The same. Crochet a half double crochet. Wind and pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over the 3 loops. Crochet a single crochet. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Crochet a slip stitch in the first stitch. Crochet a slip stitch in the first stitch. Pull off the loop. Cut off the yarn. Pull this yarn out. Look at this hole. Take it over this place. Crochet pass through this hole. Yarn over the yarn. Like this. Adjust it. This is the heart of flower. Use crochet to pass through this place. The middle place. Pass through. The end of the yarn are taken on the crochet. This is okay.